Hello, you guys. So, today is Wednesday, March 6th, and today is when your girl is going on spring break. Yes. So, right now it's like 10 after 8, and we leave at, my friend's coming to pick me up at 8:45. So, her sister's gonna drop us at the airport, which is like 15 minutes away. And we're about to catch this flight. So, we're taking the flight. I'm in Harrisburg, so we go from Harrisburg to Philly, and then we go to Florida. So, yeah, we're gonna be in Miami. And I'll keep y'all updated. So I'm all packed. I only brought like a carry-on, so that should do. I got my travel pillow and my bag, which is filled with shades because I'm just like, I don't know what I want. And I have my purse and my ID, my keys when I come back. And yeah. Now I'm just kind of sprucing up my room a bit so that it's not like crazy looking when I get back. And we should be off. This is a cute little airport, yo.
Yeah.
We go to C3. So hey, Mia. Listen, we're really about to be out of the snow in Miami. Not yet, but you know. Yeah, how you feeling about this trip?
Girl, I'm so hyped. I'm so hyped. First time in Florida and Miami.
Yes.
Doing anything for spring break. I am so hyped, girl.
Girl, when I tell you, I just cannot wait.
Okay.
I'm gonna step off the plane with the margarita. I'm like, I cannot wait. I feel like I know we're gonna have so much fun though.
Yes, the way the sun is hitting your face.
Oh my god, I can't even see.
Yes.
But low key, but I'm really excited though. I know it's gonna be fun, and then Izzy and them gonna be back on Saturday, so we can all see them and do something. Because girl,
Really good.
huh?
They're
Yeah, it's so good. The quality is really good.
Goodness.
So we are on the plane. Next stop, Miami, and just waiting for this plane to take off. I think we have like 3 hours on here, so yep. I'll let y'all see when we take off. Waiting for the shuttle. I really don't know what shuttle we're getting on though. Listen, I love seeing the palm trees.
Girl.
Yeah, they give me life.
I knew it.
So y'all,
Yes.
this is our hotel room. Girl! It is. Let me take y'all back. So this is the door.
Let me be like
Right here. Let me not lock myself out. When you come in, it's this cute little couch area, you know. Let me lock that. We don't want nobody popping up. They have this. What is this?
this house.
It looks like a blanket. Cute. Nice little painting. When you come over here, mind the luggage, but they have this cute little desk area. So cute. Oh, they even have a little sink over here. You notice that, Mia?
No, is there sink?
Yes, look. Oh, girl, look at the sink. Oh my god. I don't know what. I think that's okay. That's for design. Oh, we got coffee.
Girl, I hope
Earl
that's
Grey, English breakfast. Another tea. Oh, girl. This looks like a replica of like a Keurig.
Yes.
We got that. We got a little mini fridge. Cute.
I'm parking on 70.
Yes. Now we come over here and it's the beds.
Honey.
We got double beds. They look so nice, y'all. So nice.
Y'all, our hotel is so nice.
So nice.
Girl. Okay.
Girl.
Honey.
Then we got the little area over here with the mirror and everything. Ooh. Oh, they got a blow dryer. Okay. Oh, a Bible. They always have Bibles.
They do.
Ooh, this is nice. Then you come into the little bathroom. It's really cute. I like this feeling. And the tub. So yeah, y'all. This is it. It's so nice. I did not expect it to be this nice. I did not
That.
expect it to be this nice.
They have
But yeah.
Oh yeah, they're back there.
Hello, you guys. So I am back and it is around 8 o'clock at night. It's probably later than that. I did my makeup and everything. Changed into this cute romper that I cannot remember. I got it a while back. This cute little bag from H&M. Hold on, let me show you on the mirror. So yes, this is the full outfit. Oh girl, get in!
Get your outfit right yourself.
So yeah. And then I just have some regular flip-flops on. Whatever you want to call them, sandals, whatever. So we're about to go out somewhere in Miami Beach. I'm not sure, maybe further like South Beach area, so that we can get something to eat, get a drink, and then come back home because it's been a long day and we're really tired. So that's what we're about to do, and I'll take y'all with me. Oh, this one, so
Ask them. I'm like, what were you gonna do tonight? Even though I really don't want to see him.
why are we in Fat Tuesdays and I cannot finish this drink?
Yeah.
No, because I really keep sipping and it's not moving. Like, it's not moving at all. I've seen Fat Tuesdays on everybody's blog and it looks lit, but it's lame as hell in here. And I can't even leave because I need to finish this damn drink that's not even moving.
After them DC boys, I see you popping a bottle, baby. Let's go. Yeah, T.O., what up, boy? DC mindset, what's up? Hey, the whole DMV, Baltimore, Maryland, Virginia, what's up? People, what's up? Hey. I'm keep it 30 in my fault. I'm about brothers on my show. Nigga did me dirty, ran off on.